Welcome to Tech Solution C. This channel is all about practical tech guides, Linux tutorials, and tools that make your workflow simpler. If you're upgrading your setup or exploring new software, you'll find step-by-step videos here that actually help you get things done. Today, we are installing Scrcpy on Zorin OS 18 directly from source using the official method provided by the Scrcpy team. This gives you the very latest master build and the process is straightforward. We start by preparing the system with the required components. These packages take care of video processing, USB communication, SDL2 support, and the build tools needed to compile the project. Once they are installed, the system is fully ready to handle the source build. Next, we download the Scrcpy source code from GitHub. Cloning the repository gives us the complete project along with the install script that handles everything for us. After entering the Scrcpy directory, running the script builds the client, pulls the server binary, and installs everything into the correct paths automatically. There's no manual configuration. It's clean and reliable. When the script finishes, Scrcpy is ready to use on Zorin OS 18. Connect your Android device, enable USB debugging, and run Scrcpy from the terminal to start mirroring your phone with the latest features and performance improvements. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. This is Yasil, signing off from Tech Solution C.